Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Dropbox Sign for account and document security. Easy to authenticate with Dropbox Sign for enhanced account and document security. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox Sign website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will receive a verification code via email. Check your inbox for the email from Dropbox Sign. Copy the verification code included in that email. Return to the Dropbox Sign login page. Paste the verification code into the designated input box. Click on the Verify button to continue. Once successfully logged in, navigate to your account settings. Locate the Security tab within the Settings menu. Here, you can enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. Choose your preferred method, such as SMS or an authenticator app. Once two-factor authentication is activated, log out and log back in to test the new settings. Ensure you have secure recovery options set in case of lost access. Now you are fully authenticated and your documents are secured. Remember to log out after each session, especially on shared devices. That's it. You're now ready to use Dropbox Sign with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.